Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see chapter 4, trigonometry. So this trigonometry you have studied in your lower class, right? What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle, correct? So if we want to find out the side and angle of a triangle, we can use this trigonometry. And trigonometry is based on real life application. So most of the real life applications, we are using this concept of trigonometry. And in the earliest application, trigonometry were used in the field of navigation, surviving and astronomy. But currently, so this generation, they are using trigonometry in many areas such as electric circuits, describing the state of an atom, predicting the height of tides in the ocean, analyzing a musical tone like this, etc. So this trigonometry concept is very important, and most trigonometry means formula. So you have to know the formula. If you know the formula, then this chapter will be quite easy. This is all just recall what you have studied in your lower class. So what is your sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Okay, so these three are main, that is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. And what is your secant theta? Secant theta is the inverse of cos theta. Cot theta is the inverse of tan theta. Cosecant theta is the inverse of sine theta. Correct? Again, one more time. What is your sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is your tan theta? Opposite by hypotenuse, right? Okay, now we are going to see the relationship between trigonometric ratio. So sine theta can be taken as 1 by cosecant, or cosecant can be taken as 1 by sine. Cos can be taken as 1 by secant or reverse. Tan theta can be taken as sine by cos or reverse. Tan theta all can be taken as 1 by cot theta, or cot theta can be taken as 1 by tan theta. Now these are the three basic trigonometry identities which we have used in your lower class. What is the first one? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So in your classwork note, you have to take this trigonometry identities. So put the heading as chapter 4 trigonometry, and next line take down trigonometry identities and write down this three identities. Next, angle. What we are going to see is angle. Okay, so if you see this one, this is a triangle, right? Okay, this O point is the initial point. From this we are taking one ray, that is one line is called OA, and here this one line is called OB. Okay, so the point of rotation is called vertex, that is here this point actually goes in this way. After it rotate like this and go this way, okay ma? So this rotation is called vertex, that is this O point is called vertex. Now if the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, then the angle is said to be, this is your angle, correct? The distance between these two line, this angle is called, okay? So if the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, then this angle is said to be positive. If the direction of rotation, suppose in the line, if it comes like this, okay, it will be your clockwise rotation. So clockwise rotation, the angle is said to be negative. So anti-clock angle is said to be positive. Clockwise, now the angle is said to be negative. Next we are going to see degree. So what is degree is, okay, now from this is your initial point, this is your terminal point. From initial point, if we take one full revolution, again come back to the initial point is your 1 degree. Okay, so here we can take 1 degree as 60 minutes, or 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. This one, take it in your classwork note. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, or you have to take this symbol, or 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, you have to take 60 double dash. Next, radian measure. So what is this radian measure is? Again, we are taking one circle. In that we are taking one two ray, OA and OB. Suppose this angle from OA to OB, that is AOB. Okay, so the angle subtend at the center of the circle, and it is equal to length of this radius. If this angle and this length of this radius are equal, then length of the radius of the circle is called radian. So what is radian? The angle subtended at the center of the circle by the arc equal to the length of its radius of the circle is called radian, and it is denoted by this one 1c. This is your 1 radian. Okay, now this is your formula. The number of radian in an angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center of the circle is, this is a formula, that length of the arc by radius. That is, if you want to find out the number of radian, we can use this formula. What is the formula? Length of the arc by radius. Okay, next, relationship between degree and radius, radian. So what is the relationship between degree and radian is, look at here. We know circumference of a circle of a radius 1 unit is 2 pi. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi, correct? Yes. Now one complete, take your book page number 125. One complete revolution of the radius of unit circle subtends 2 pi radians. If you see this is enough knowledge of this, all those things. Okay, what is the relationship between degree and radius is 2 pi radian equal to 1 degree. Okay, so pi radian equal to 180 degree, or 1 radian equal to 180 degree pi. So what is the relationship between degree and radian? 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi, and this one is important. You have to take it in your class work note. Okay, just take down this formula alone. 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree, pi radian equal to 180 degree, 1 radian equal to 180 degree by pi. Next we are going to see quadrant. So for quadrant, we have to take one full degree. So this full 1 revolution is called 1 degree, correct? Now that we are going to divide into 4 quadrant. This is your first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, quadrant means part. We are dividing that part. Okay, now this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. This first quadrant is 0 to 90 degree, and this is 90 to 180 degree. This is 180 to 90, if we add 270 degree. This is 270 degree to 360 degree. This is your quadrant. So 0 to 90 now first, 90 to 180 second degree, 180 to 270 third degree, 270 to 360 fourth degree. Okay, wow. Now you have to take this one, all silver teacup, all silver tea cup. Okay, what is this one? All silver tea cup. This means A means all now, all your trigonometry ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, whatever you can take, first quadrant all will be positive. Okay, what is this one? Yes, yes na sine theta. Sine theta and cosecant theta will be positive in your second degree. Appa the remaining all will be negative. Suppose inga vandu neenga cos potingina, this will become negative because second quadrant la only what is positive, sine theta, and that inverse is cosecant. Okay, next what is this one? T na tan theta. So here what are the ratios are positive? Tan theta and cot theta. What is this one? C. C means cos theta. So cos and secant is positive in your fourth quadrant. Now what is this one? Tell me. All silver tea cups. Why we are saying like this? Na? It will be easy to remember. All silver tea cup. Okay, so first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sine and cosecant positive, third quadrant tan and cot positive, fourth quadrant cos and secant positive. Take your page number 128. We have a trigonometry ratio angle table. This one you have to copy it in your classwork note. Using this tabular column only, we are going to do the problems. So have to see this one as, okay, first one is sine. So if they ask you to find sine 90 minus theta, so sine 90 minus theta is here, correct? So sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. Sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. Sine 180 minus theta, sin theta. Sine 180 plus theta minus sin theta. And how we got minus, plus and all? We have see the quadrant, right? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Using that only we got plus and minus, and there will be a shortcut method to mug up this tabular column that I'll teach you separately. Okay, now you have to take it this tabular column in your classwork note. By saying this tabular column only, we are going to do the problem. Okay, so till now what I ask you to take down in the classwork note all the formulas and take it in your classwork note, then you can go to the exercise problem. Exercise 4.1, first question. Convert the following degree measures into radian measure. So degree is given, we have to convert into radian. So we know 1 radian is pi by 180. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, correct? So here degree is given. What is degree? 60 degree is given. So how to convert this one? 60 degree equal to 60, we have to convert into pi, radian only, no. So pi by 180. Converting to radian, pi by 180, you have to multiply. So 60 into pi by 180 cancel, and this will cancel 3, which is equal to pi by 3 radian. This is your final answer. So pi by 180 into radian. So your answer will be pi by 3 into radian. And if you take fourth subdivision, minus 320 degree. So minus 320 degree now. Degree is given. Have to convert into radian. We have to multiply by pi into pi by 180 degree. So solution is 320 minus 320 degree equal to minus 320 into pi by 180, correct? So this will get cancelled. 9 2s are 18, 1 2s to balance 1, 6 2s are 12, and this will not get cancelled. So that's all. That is your final answer, which is equal to minus 16 by 9 pi radian is your final answer. So if you want to convert degree into radian, now what you have to do? Multiply pi by 180 degree. Second problem. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. So here radian is given, pi nale radian, pi by 8 radian is given. We have to convert this radian into degree. Okay, so converting radian into degree, now we have to multiply 180 by pi. So here solution, if you see, pi by 8 radian is equal to pi by 8 is equal to pi by 8 into, we have to multiply 180 degree by pi, 180 degree pi by, okay. So this pi will get cancelled, and 8 and 180 degree if you cancel, you will get 22.5 degree. Okay, so look at here, this final answer will be, I can write here, then I can write 1 degree. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Correct? 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So 0.5 na half degree. Half degree equal to 30 minutes. Correct? 0.5 ங்கிறது half degree means 30 minutes. So you can write the answer as 22 degree, okay, 22 degree and 30 minutes. This is your final answer. You should not take it this as 22.5 degree. How you have to take 22 degree and 30 minutes is your final answer. Now take your third subdivision. -3. So we have to convert this -3 into degree. How we can do? -3 equal to -3 into, we have to multiply by 180 by pi. 180 degree by pi degree. Correct? Now to convert degree, pi should not be present. So what is your pi value? 22 by 7. Correct? So we can write this as -3 into 180 degree by 22 by 7. That's 7. We can take it here. And if we multiply all those things, 7 3s are 21. 21 is into 180 degree is -3780 degree by 22. That is equal to, if we divide this 2, you will get -171.81 degree. But 81 degree, this 0.81 we have to convert into minute, right? So how can we convert 0.81 degree into the C, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, half degree equal to 30 minutes, right? So if you want to convert this into a 30 degree, now we have to multiply by 60 degree. 0.81 degree into 60 minute, which is equal to, if you multiply, you will get 48 minute. Okay, so what is your final answer? -171 degree and 81 is 48 minute. 48 minute is your final answer. Okay, again I want to write one more time. -171 degree and 48 minute is your final answer. Today what we have seen is converting radian into degree and degree into radian. So radian to degree na, radian to degree na, we have to multiply 180 by pi. Degree to radian na, pi by 180. Okay, and your homework is exercise 4.1, first problem and second problem, whichever we left. Okay, so that is your homework. We can see it in the next class, remaining problems. Thank you, students.